Okay guys, so I know this is a little different angle, but I did wanted to share this project that I mentioned to you on my was it Dollar Tree haul and plus more, where I picked up this flowers from Giant Dollar and the foam floral foam from Dollar Tree. So I want to share this project right now. This is how it turned out. I absolutely loved how it came out. So I want to show the process of it. Now I do want to mention that I only picked up 6 pairs of hydrangeas, and I actually needed 3 for each wreath. So which I used 3 on this one, and I only have 3 flowers left and 2 floral foams left. So I'm gonna have to go back to Giant Dollar store to pick up 3 more, since I do need 3 more for my other floral foam. So first I'm gonna put this on the side. All you want to do is just pull your hydrangeas off. It comes out with the little stick right there in the middle, and like the little green area in the middle right there. So all you have to do is just grab the flower and pull it like this. So basically this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna have the hydrangea in this little greenery in the middle of the flower, with the, of course, this sticking out like this. So this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab your floral foam and you're gonna grab your hydrangea. You can fold it like this all the way, all of it, like a little taco. Then you're gonna insert it, and voila! Such an easy step for you to do. And then you just, of course, keep moving along to the other ones in order like that. But make sure you have a straight and good grip while you're pushing it. So I'm gonna just do it all around, and I'll be back in a few. So far this is how it looks. I think it looks beautiful like that. Excuse my dog. Okay guys, so I'm all done. I do have this one that I just finished and the one that I did previous to show you how is it gonna look. Now I'm gonna take the hydrangea leaves that they came with, and make sure that the ones that you are getting, they're straight and not like they have like the curve like that. What I did to this one was I grabbed the leaves, I cut them in half, or not even halfway, but you know what I mean. And then I just make sure that I grab the side that it wasn't being in the middle of the flower and it was touching the floral foam. You put hot glue in the back of the leaf. Once you put hot glue on the back of the leaf, you grab it. You of course find that right spot, which is gonna be like right here. You see, you have to figure it out like that. So you see that, sorry if I'm moving the camera around. So if you see that right spot, then you just hot glue it and just fix as you hot glue as the leaf is sticking in there. And voila. Now I was actually debating whether or not to actually put the leaves, because I kind of think they look kind of funny, but I actually seen some wreath at the store or online that they look like this, but I don't like it. So just comment down below what you think, if I should put the leaves or just leave it as plain as like this. And then I'll be using this to hang it or decor with it around the hydrangeas, which probably be like something like this, just to give it a pretty you know what, I don't even know what I'm gonna actually do, guys. This DIY that I did with the hydrangeas and the floral foam, I actually got it from a YouTuber here. I don't know her name and I don't know her name channel, but I will link her video below so you can go ahead and check out. And she actually got the stuff from Dollar Tree, which you can find the hydrangeas at Dollar Tree, but not this color. I don't think they have this color. I might be wrong. And another fact is that hydrangeas that they have right now out like for fall, you're not gonna be able to pull them out with this little stick, because I actually purchased some, and I was actually looking at them to see if I put some maybe in the mixture in here, but it doesn't work, guys. I'm gonna actually go grab them real quick and show you. The hydrangeas are attached to all this, connected to this, so you would have to just pull it out and maybe just put them like that. Another way that I'm thinking right now that you could do is actually grabbing scissors and be cutting each of the little flower and then try to stick them in there. You know what, let me try it. I'm gonna try one for you guys. So I'm gonna cut one real quick so you guys can just pick them up at Dollar Tree. Oh my god, it does. So there you go. Oh look, the green ones do come out. Oh my goodness, I'm probably gonna mix them in here. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna actually I'm not gonna record the other one. I'm just gonna do it, and whenever I'm ready, I'm gonna just put him, give you like a little small preview of how they all turned out, the three of them. You might see a few changes, maybe additions to this hydrangeas and the yellow and the green ones. I don't know, we'll see what I'll end up doing. So that's pretty much it, guys. I finished the third wreath and they look so pretty together, all three of them. I do hope that you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you guys very soon on my next video. Bye.